Mumbai's killer brat faces a law, sent to 6-day police custody. 24-year-old Mihir Shah has admitted to indeed driving the car during the time of crash. Mihir has revealed that he got scared after he crashed into Pradeep and Kaveri and dragged Kaveri's body, which was on top of his bonnet, for nearly 1.5 kilometers before he actually dumped her on the road, drove over her and fled from the scene. His driver eventually took to the wheels and carried out that last deed. In fact, entire family of Mihir Shah has helped him escape and stay in hiding for 3 whole days. Mihir's father, Rajesh Shah, has been shunned and ousted from the Shiv Sena. Taking you through this report and a lot more revelations in the Mumbai hit and run.
More revelations in the Mumbai hit and run case. Sources tell India Today the accused Mihir Shah has admitted that he was driving the BMW when it rammed Pradeep and Kaveri Nakwa's two-wheeler early on Sunday morning. Mihir has revealed that he got scared after he dragged Kaveri on the car bonnet for about 1.5 kilometers. After the incident that killed Kaveri, Mihir went to his girlfriend's house and even tried hiding his identity by shaving his beard to escape the police who were searching for him. After India Today's relentless coverage, Mihir was caught after being on the run for 60 hours. Meanwhile, the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation sent a bulldozer to the Juhu bar where Mihir and his friends were partying. The BMC claims illegal structures at the bar were demolished. The crackdown comes a day after the bar was sealed for allegedly serving liquor to underage customers. Maharashtra's ruling party, the Shinde Sena, has sacked Mihir Shah's father, Rajesh Shah, from the party after facing relentless political heat over the case. Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena has accused the ruling party of shielding the accused. Aditya Thackeray visited the victim's family on Wednesday.
This is not just a hit and run. This is not just an accident. This is a murder. Day one, we kept our political decency and we said we will not like to politicize this case. But the fact is, if the accused was allowed to run away and hide for 60 hours, now you start thinking whether there was any politics in this, whether there was any political patronage in this. The bulldozer justice that is meted out to people here and there, on slums, on other people, I would want to see that bulldozer justice happening in this case.
उनको बसाने की कोशिश पहले दिन से चल रही है, क्योंकि बेटे का जो बाप है वो इतना शिंदे वाली शिवसेना का नेता है और बहुत ही रसूखदार आदमी है, पैसे वाला आदमी है, नशे में बार बार कुचल दिया, सड़क पर फेंक कर वापस कुचल दिया। आप देखिए वीडियो, ये तो बहुत ही अमानुष प्रकार है और ऐसी व्यक्ति कभी जेल से छूटनी नहीं चाहिए।
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Shinde has accused the opposition of politicizing the tragic incident.
अपोजिशन हमेशा आरोप करते रहे, उनके पास आरोप के सिवा दूसरा कोई काम है? हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्टिव काम कर रहे हैं, हम प्रैक्टिकल काम कर रहे हैं। हिट एंड रन में जो दोषी है, जो गुनाहगार है, उनको बिल्कुल बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, उनके ऊपर कड़ी कार्रवाई हो जाएगी।
Kaveri Nakwa's family is demanding swift justice. With Dipesh Tripathi and Saurabh Bhaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, that's it for me here. You could log on to indiatoday.in. You could also download our app for a lot more news and updates. Stay with us.